It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with another day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes.
Welcome to a brand new video. It's about to be another home video because I need to do a ton of cleaning. My house is in shambles. Well, it's not in shambles. Certain parts of my house are in shambles. So right now I'm doing laundry. I'm also sitting in the car editing a video. I don't know about y'all, but even when my kids are asleep, I like to sit in the car. Like, I just feel like it's so much more relaxing to be in the car. But I'm about to go make my coffee. Let me show y'all what the house is looking like right now. So the living room is not bad. It's pretty good. The breakfast room and kitchen look okay. Kane needs to come back and finish doing the floor because I can still see stuff on the floor. There's a bottle cap over there. This counter definitely needs some TLC. But overall, kitchen isn't bad. For some reason, there are always 25 rags on the counters. And I'm just like, use one every day, put it in the laundry, use a fresh one every day. Because we keep them, we do laundry and we keep the extra towels and rags in here. So I'm just like, get a fresh one every single day.
You keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up.
It's so good, y'all. I swear it's better than Starbucks. Okay, another day, another Amazon unboxing. Let's do it. So I got a couple things from Amazon recently. One, not home related, but bomb. African net sponges. Y'all, if you knew about this already, why you ain't tell me? Because, oh my gosh, my skin feels so much better, so much smoother, so much more exfoliated. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. And it was only $5 on Amazon for 3. I'm about to start using it on my face too because it's giving exfoliation queen. Okay, next thing, I got this bathroom brush. So this is what it looks like inside the box, and it's just a scrubber. So you just, you know, put it together and then you can use it to scrub your tubs and walls in your bathroom and stuff like that. And that is why I bought it, because I hate cleaning that huge bathtub that we have upstairs. It is so big and you have to get inside of it to clean it properly. And it just does not appeal to me. So several attachments that will help you elongate it. Then we have the actual scrubbing brush, and this is detachable because you can always switch it out with one of these. But I love that it has like a really stiff scrubbing brush, because sometimes you just really need to, you know, get in there. So the other attachments are this, which is just kind of like, I guess you could use this to clean a floor or just to maybe wipe off the wall when you finish scrubbing it to get all the water off of it. That would probably really be good for a glass, like shower doors, to kind of just, you know, do that final wipe down if you don't want to squeegee. And then we have a couple of like scrubbers. So this is kind of like Scrub Daddy-ish kind of material. And like I said, it's detachable, so you just click that. What do you do on the front end to get it off? So when you press this button, you can lift this up, but then I'm trying to figure out how to get the front part off. Oh, okay. So you just slide it down. So the front has a little hook on it that latches onto this little area right here. So you just slide that in and then click the bottom down, and that's how you attach it. So that's easy. This one goes on here, and then this one goes here. Oh no, this way goes on here. You can telescope this even more with this. Oh, maybe not. And then final piece screws on. So that's all easy. This is how long it is in actuality, which is actually a really good size for, you know, getting down to the floor and getting up on walls and, you know, doing all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna try this out today because I need to scrub my bathroom, my shower walls, and my bathtub, because the shower, we ain't gonna talk about it because, girl, I hate cleaning that shower. And we have really hard water because y'all know we have we have well water, not public water. I know some people who have public water also have super hard water, but our water is full of minerals because it is from a well. It is, you know, natural water from the earth. It has not been purified, and it's coming straight from an underground river, or some sort of underground body of water. So that is, it's an abundant water source, and it's an endless water source, but it doesn't have, you know, it's not as filtered as the water that's coming from, you know, a water plant, and that is public, you know, a public water source. If you've been here for a while, you know that we've had issues with our water smelling like sulfur, and we had to get a whole home water filtration system. So not only do we have a whole home filtration system, but we also have, you know, the water that's coming through the fridge is filtered through the water filter on the fridge. So that water is double filtered. And then even though the water that's coming in through the shower is filtered through the whole home filtration system, it's still not taking everything out of it, and it still leaves an orange residue, like on the shower curtain. It leaves it on the shower floor. So that is what we kind of need to tackle. Like, I don't want to get down on my hands and knees to clean the floor of that shower. Like, it takes forever. So we're gonna see if this simplifies the process and this makes it easier and quicker, because if so, I'm here for it.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought.
Alright, so I got the shower curtain into the washing machine. Let me just give y'all a close-up of what this looks like. So you can see like the orange stains right there. They're all around the bottom of the tub. They're staining the grout. So yeah, it's a mess, but we're gonna try to clean it up.
Spinning faster, terrified, hiding with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. Why you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified when they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hiding with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine.
Okay, so that was a whole lot easier than getting in the tub and cleaning it. I got that done in like 3-4 minutes from start to finish, and I didn't even have to get in the tub, so I'm gonna call that a win. That was a much easier process. Cleaning this tub is laborious, and anything that I can do to take away some of that work, I'm here for it. All right, y'all, so that's it. Went ahead and wiped everything down, including the windowsill, because it gets dusty too. Everything gets dusty. So I wiped all of this. I wiped the entire tub surround. Now we can get back to the shower since it's been sitting here for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Well, first of all, let's look at the floor, see if it's looking any better. I think that is actually working. But let's start the walls and we'll see what it looks like once I rinse everything out.
I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way.
I just want y'all to see the way this towel is glistening because, like, y'all, it looks so good. I don't think it's been this clean since the day we moved in. Like, it's clean. No residue left on it. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the one. Y'all should definitely get that brush. I'm gonna leave it in my Amazon storefront and also link it in the description.
On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. Ooh, yeah. I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like sleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my
Just had to take King to work, and I'm still not done with the bathroom, but Kane is he's cleaning the garage out. So I just took both the cars out the garage so that he could clean it. So he's about to use the leaf blower to get all of the debris and stuff out of the garage. And these are just the boxes from the counter stools, because I don't like to throw the boxes away until the return period has ended, because if something goes wrong, I'm gonna put it right back in that box and send it back. So I always keep boxes for major purchases for at least 30 days. Oh. You gonna have to pick the trash. Corey, is that from? Pick that up. You pick up the trash when you're done with that.